Good morning everyone, it's a beautiful day here in Iceland and we are off for a walk.
Yay! Ooh, hello.
If we go this way, then it's like really bright.
It's really bright, hi. We're off for a walk, gonna take some pictures, explore the scenery. It looks absolutely stunning at the minute.
It's a lot warmer than yesterday, it's 1 degree.
1 degree.
Look at this little hat.
Look at my little hat.
Look the side. How's the walk treating you?
It's so nice. It's a lot warmer than it was yesterday. It's a couple of degrees now, and it was -10 yesterday, so I'm not that cold. My hands were freezing yesterday trying to come out at night, but it's so nice now. So peaceful. Literally, you can't hear anyone else, anything else, except for that dog barking at you, Meg.
I know. And we have a frozen pond. There's our little dome. Look at the backdrop, and then we've just come across a frozen pond, and now we are continuing on. The walk was successful, and I've got to say there weren't no bad reviews saying this Airbnb was cold.
Yeah,
it is roasting.
It is boiling.
Last night I was so warm I didn't think I was going to fall asleep. Like, it is really warm, so whoever left that review, I think you were staying somewhere else because this place is really warm and cozy.
I'm going to turn them all off.
Are you actually?
I'm turning one or
yeah, no,
off,
it's really warm. It's too warm. It is now time to prepare lunch, and we've come to the realization we did not buy enough food. So we're gonna have carrots and hummus and crisps for lunch, and then for dinner we have tortillas, and we were planning on getting chicken like closer to the Airbnb because the supermarket we went to was like 3 hours away. We didn't want to carry the chicken that far, but then we couldn't find any shops closer, so we're gonna have for dinner tortillas with peppers and onion, and that's about it. So let's make lunch. This is our gourmet lunch. We've got peppers, carrots, hummus, and we've got some Lay's crisps in there. If cold travel isn't for you, stick around because where are we going next?
Singapore, like the most humid city on earth. So
we are so excited.
Yeah,
and we're okay. So this is our last short trip. Next trip we go on is going to be like 3 months long, and it's going to be amazing. Not 3 months in Singapore. We're traveling. We are playing our favorite game, which is, please sponsor us, Double. You should actually sponsor us. I once did a TikTok about playing Double and
got hundreds of thousands.
It got millions of views.
Oh no, it did.
Yeah. People were watching my series, saddest series I've ever done on TikTok, how to play Double on your own. Anyway, it was New Year's Eve as well, which is just pathetic. Anyway, should we commence?
Yeah, let's play.
Let's go. made us dinner. He says it's gonna be awful, but it cannot be as bad as mine last night. He's even done, you can't see it because he put an egg on top, but he's done the rice in like a little dish shape. I'll try to show you. Look how cute. And then we've got a wrap filled with peppers and onion, some eggs, and oh, I've just put my egg in the hummus.
Oh, well done.
There we go.
Really got.
We are going to see if the northern lights are out tonight. I think they are, but very faintly. No, they say it's difficult to see with the human eye. You have to use a camera lens to see them properly. Like in pictures, apparently they don't look like that in person. So I don't know if you can see these stars, but we have a really clear sky tonight. And you're not going to be able to see what I'm looking at right now, but there is like a white kind of line in the sky, and I wonder if that's them. I don't know. I think it is. So wait, it's just focusing. So that's what we see in the sky. So it looks like it's just cloud, but you can't see it on this. Well, it's a clear sky, so we might see something tonight. Yeah, it's really clear, but you will not see that at all. Okay, so we don't have northern lights yet, but look how beautiful the sky is. Rhys has just taken this picture.
It's lovely.
Wow, stunning. So Rhys is taking some beautiful pictures of the sky. At the minute, the sky is getting a little bit more cloudy, so we think we'll probably go in for a bit and then keep checking intermittently to see if, oh, my light's gone, to see if the lights have come out yet. I guess it's now time. Oh no, we can't watch a film yet because the laptop's still dead. Once the laptop is charged, we also watch a film.
Hi.
How are you enjoying the trip?
It's brilliant. It's so nice. Just secluded on your own, trying to see some light. Perfect. Although I wish we'd got different food and more food. Only regret.
Yeah, the lack of food thing is really getting to us. I've been having spoonfuls of syrup because for some reason the Airbnb came with syrup. Good morning.
It's 8:30 and it is still pitch black.
Boom. Boom.
It's crazy, isn't it?
We're heading off.
We're heading off.
Sad times.
I know. It's been lovely, hasn't it?
It's been really nice. We didn't see the lights, but we're coming back.
We're coming back in November.
Our flights are already booked, so we'll see them then.
We'll see them then.
Fingers crossed.
Right, well, thank you very much. We'll see you.
Well, we'll probably do a bit of a vlog of the day. Yesterday the snow melted, but we've had a lot of snow overnight. Rhys is just getting the car ready. Just listen to how silent it is. Okay, maybe not, because Rhys... Is it frozen? Car door's frozen. station, and I am, well, a service station, and I am so excited because we're gonna get food.
Maybe.
Sweet stuff, because we didn't buy anything with sugar in it. So I'm hoping for some chocolate, but we'll see what they've got. And look at how beautiful the sky is. It's like 10:30, and that's the sky right now. Where we were, you have to go under the sea in a tunnel.
Under the sea.
Thanks.
Under
and we're just waiting, and we're not allowed in the tunnel. It says wait, but we've been waiting a while.
About 15 minutes.
When will we get through?
I don't know.
So ignore the spot on my... No, I was gonna say excuse the spot on my face because it's monstrous, but I'm not gonna say that. I'm gonna say welcome the spot on my face. Let's welcome it to the vlog, because you don't need to excuse natural things.
Oh god, we're not one of those channels, are we?
I just thought everyone always says excuse, why not say
well, hello.
Say welcome to this.
Enter another main character.
My second head.
Second head.
It's big enough. We finally got through the tunnel. We were literally waiting like half an hour. Anyway, we finally got through, and then when we started going through the tunnel, the car started beeping saying our doors were open. But it was one of the back doors, which is so weird. Don't know why it was open. Anyway, I just had to get out in the tunnel, and it smells like fish in the tunnel, like so strong. It literally smells like a fishmonger's or something, because we're under the sea.
It's 5 degrees now.
Wow, it's so warm in this tunnel as well, but it's like earth.
Yeah, look at it.
Do you see that? It's earth. So this is a lovely little tunnel. It's definitely a unique experience.
It's a bit fishy.
But just remember, if you're passing under the tunnel might randomly close for ages. I don't know what happened in that security, but we had like 5 boxes between us, and every single one of my boxes went through, then, you know, got taken for extra checking. And I never put my liquids in a plastic bag. Today was the first time I put my liquids in a plastic bag, and it went through, it got red flagged. I know we always mention it on TikTok, but I don't know if we mention on our channel that you have to get perfume in the duty free before your flight so you smell nice. What you choosing?
I don't know. There's a lot of choice.
There is a lot of choice.
Maybe some Yves Saint Laurent?
Do it.
Or some Armani. Polo. Let's try some classic Polo, right?
Or Chanel.
Oh, you have to throw it on you. It's not a...
Clean.
Okay.
This is Rhys getting ready for the flight.
Plane is delayed by probably about half an hour, 45 minutes.
All our flights are delayed this year.
Oh, well,
I never used to get delayed flights, ever.
That's because you flew Emirates, basically, exclusively.
I went on 3 trips, Fiji, Cambodia and Thailand. That was my solo travel phase. And I got a little bit addicted to Emirates because, well, student finance gave me way too much freedom.
Now she thinks that every flight is an Emirates flight. And it's not.
No, I don't. By the way, if you're in Wales, just get the full student finance, and you have, like, loans. They don't get paid off anyway, so get the full student finance.
I'm never going to pay those off.
And use your excess. Get full student finance, get the full maintenance loan, then don't get the most expensive accommodation just because you can. And I used to have like $3 extra from my...
I bought a laptop with mine.
Yeah, I used to go on so many trips with my leftover student finance.
Brilliant.
So if you live in Wales, dig that. And if you live in England, I'm so sorry.
If you live in England, you're suckers.
No, you're not suckers. The system is a sucker.
No, you're suckers because you live in England.
The system's a sucker.
Wales.
That's it, guys. We're in the UK, so we've now got a 3-hour drive home. Don't want it touching the tea. There's a cup of tea in the car that I made Rhys for the journey down, and it's still here. Anyway, yeah, we've got a 3-hour journey back now, which is going to be fun because Rhys has work in the morning. But I was just going to say something. Oh yeah, come back for our next video because we are heading to Singapore. We're going to be away for 3 months. I'm handing in my notice this weekend, so it's definitely happening, and we'll see you in our next video, which is going to be so exciting.